What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Brian. We're going to be looking at the Tesla wall connector generation 3, which has a white tempered glass faceplate. And Tesla just left. They took about 2 to 3 hours to get this installed. It was two Tesla people here. And we tested it. It's working. It's connected to Wi-Fi. We're going to connect the car. My car's at 166 miles right now, so it'll get to the maximum of 48 amps, which they installed the 60 amp breaker. And let's go take a look at that and the conduit, and then we'll plug it into the car. This is my panel box. Okay, so we got the Tesla wall connector here on a 60 amp. They did some other shuffling around, these here and then these two. I decided to go with the exposed conduit simply because I was gonna save about $700–800. We got the conduit here. It's a 3/4 inch conduit. Goes behind this box that I just put back there. And here it is. It doesn't look too bad. Once you park the car, nobody's really gonna be looking here. So I'm happy with the conduit. The wire's really thin, which is good. So let me move my car up. And it just looks awesome. You got some Tesla logo there and some warning. There's the bottom, and you can actually come off the top as well. All right, let me move the car forward and plug it in. All right, so we got the whole light going down. That means it's charging. All right, so right now it is ramping up to 48 amps. And we're getting 44 miles per hour of charge. So it's gonna take 2 hours and 25 minutes to charge my car up to 90%, which is what I currently set it at. All right, and the last time I used the supercharger was December 29th. Which there's a video on my channel if you guys want to see when I went to McAllen, Texas. Overall, guys, this is awesome because I had to have my laundry room door open while charging, and I was only getting 22 to 23 miles per hour of range. So now my daily commute, I can pretty much charge up in 1 hour, which is awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.